Hello everyone, this is Anna from Lexingby Journals. Thank you so much for joining me today. For those who don't know me, I live just outside London in the UK and I make medieval and dark age themed journals. I also enjoy very much making historical themed journals, rustic and romantic journals. So today I just wanted first of all to say I hope there is positive energy. Stay at home and be creative. Our crafting world is trying as much as possible to support everybody in these difficult times. A very big thank you to Karen and Emily for choosing me to join their Graphics Fairy premium site designers team. Very looking forward to creating in the next few months journals using their beautiful bundles from their premium site. Thank you very much for watching today, and I'm going to show you, this is my first project and it is a journal themed urban structures, and I have used a lot of their bundles from their premium site. So I will show you the journal now. Thank you very much. So here is the journal, and I have chosen for the cover an image from the architectural drawings bundle, and also for the spine I've chosen from the same bundle the images, and there's a lot of gold on the gold on the ridges, and as you can see here the corners, I've added some corners and a metallic label, so it looks very much like an architect's and engineer's notebook. And inside you see the marbled end papers, which come from the marbled end paper bundle. Label and divider here from Flourish Label and Dividers bundle. And then there's a corner pocket from the French newspapers and ephemera. And the marbled paper has printed beautifully on card. I've used for the ephemera and the pockets and the end papers, I've used card paper, ivory card paper, which prints very well, and I think it's really good for it's quite thick, so it's sturdy, and one can use it on pockets a lot. It's quite good. And ephemera, obviously, because one wants to write on the cards and all that. So this comes from the vintage pattern bundle, and I've used from that bundle all exclusively for the pockets. So you will know through the book all the pockets are made from that bundle in different colors. They come in different colors. And this is a beautiful image I've taken from, if I'm not mistaken, the yellow ephemera. And the ephemera and cards I've printed from decorative hardware, because they've got lots of keys and knobs and things, and they're nice for this type of journal, this type of theme. This is from the Flourish Labels and Dividers, and I've used a lot of those in the middle of signatures as almost like title pages or chapter pages, where people can divide in their book their different themes or whatever else they'd like to do. The paper that has all been printed on is tea and coffee dyed, as you can see. It is good paper for drawing and collaging. It's quite thick, 120 GSM, so it's good for all that. And this is another one from the architectural drawings bundle. Another one. These are beautiful frames, and I thought what I do sometimes, I cut through here around and I attach them onto a page, leaving the top not adhered, and people can slip through in there different things like photos, little photos or whatever. Some of them are bigger. So, and this is a vintage ledger paper. This is another drawing from the architectural drawings, and another card for writing. This is Flourish Labels and Dividers. Look at this, it's just beautifully printed onto the page. There's another little corner pocket here. Let me see if I've missed something. Oh yes, this is beautiful. This is architectural, from the architectural drawings bundle, and I'm imagining people can write their notes around here in different places and fill in this already busy page with all sorts of little bits and pieces. So that would look lovely. And there's some more of these ephemera cards. All these drawings come from the architectural drawings for this journal, Urban Structures. So that's the idea, and one can also color them in, because if one likes it, it's beautiful, beautiful for coloring in. And there's lots of greenery here. There's another one of these frames. Another one. I'm also going to include this, which comes from the French frame collage sheet from the bundle, and one can cut these and use them also in their journal as ephemera and note cards or collaging. There's another beautiful piece here, a little tuck spot. This is classic, it's called Classic Facade one. Gorgeous. I love the way they print onto this paper. It's another one. Gothic window frame. Another pocket here. Also another chapter, let's say divider in the middle of the signature. Another corner pocket, beautiful paper. There's another pocket here. So there's loads of space for writing and drawing and designing and collaging. There's another one from the architectural drawings, another beautiful images here. Here I've left it open onto the side so you can slip in some papers. And the threads are all, lots of threads around. And I know we like our threads. Another corner here, corner pockets with the red. This is burgundy. More. These are all from the bundles, the journal. There's another corner pocket here, and another one here. So there's a lot of images, as you can see. But also loads of space because I've added so many pages. This is beautiful. So there's a corner pocket here again from the outside. Little corner pocket tuck spot. There's another image here, beautiful. This is a lovely little frame. One can write notes on inside. And another one. Gorgeous old drawing there, and finally we're nearly there. This is the end with another marbled paper here and the Ex Libris, which comes from the Ex Libris book covers bundle, and it will be available on Etsy on Sunday evening, 8 p.m. UK time. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and again, take care of yourselves and stay inside. Thank you. Bye bye.